puppies are working real well individually, but I still like to bring them out together, and here's the session. We're just beginning to building prey drive with the puppies, and I like to take them out every few hours and teach them how to use the bathroom to relieve themselves, as well as build up their prey drive. So here's a game. I'm bringing in a new toy, and I just want to build them up, and over time they're going to get good at it. You just have to be patient with puppies. And here's a chance to watch them. Now it seems that the smaller one isn't really interested, but she is very aggressive in the bite work and deadly shakes. And that's just how most puppies are. But over time, both of them will surely progress in the prey work, and they'll both be over the top. But that's what a regular session is like. I just stimulate their mind for a few minutes, and we'll go back in, and we'll do this every day until they become adults. If you're looking for working puppies, just
Vanguard K9 and Master Vonder Muff, home of the working Belgian Malinois and Dutch Shepherds. Puppies available, DVDs, dog journals, and a registry for the most important dog. Call us today.